Good morning. It's been a long time, so welcome to 18 Hillstar Kara channel. Today, me and my dear friends are going to play the golf. We have a little bit of competition, but sadly, we're not complete today because some of our friends had a different schedule. So they cannot fix their schedule, so they cannot join today. But next time, they will going to join us again. But today, the weather is fine, and yeah, we were going to enjoy our play today. So check it out later. We were going to show you our game and our new members also in our play. And today we were going to play at the Katori City at the Oaks Hill Country Club. Yan. So later I'm going to show you. Have a good day. See you later. Akala ko white or gray. Yup. Gamarimasu. Hey guys, me and mommy is here. Di ba ko pala nalagay? Mamaya na lang ilagay. So, habang nagka-patter po sila doon, sila Nikki and Bea, Vanessa, and Love Jan. So, mommy and I are preparing in the car. Oo, kasi ilan lang tayo. Okay. Oh, hi gozaimasu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Ito pang ating mga bago, new members. Ang ating mga new ladies. In Chiba Golf ladies, guys. So, this is Nikki Chama. Yes. Hindi, okay lang. Okay, let's go. Okay lang yan. Take your time. Steady. Yeah, bye. Next is Bea Chandes. Welcome to the club. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Yosh! Nice! Nice shot from Bea Chan. Yay! Okay. Guys, gambatte. Nice shot! Tamani aru ne. Okay lang ate. Wow, nice shot! Ikaw na talaga ate. Woohoo!
Step it up, I've got to go. Front row seat, fashion show. Live it up in the afterglow. Up late, talk low. Push the limit, fascinates. Feel good, activates. Level up, captivate. Listen to me, it's easy. Lights, heat, magic, glow. Try it, take it, faster, go.
That's rough, baby.
Dragon na naman. Dragon ba yan? Diba? Wala dito. Tapos, ito tayo. Bakit hindi nila nilagyan ng ano? Ano ba yung ano nila? Nilagyan nila ano? Ayo. Ayan. Soto na kinay. Uy, naganda ako. Ay, ate ba niya dayo? Ate ba niya? Ate ba niya?
Nice on. Ano ba? 100 ka?
Ori nakarabana? Ori teru to思うよ。そうだよ。みんなおたすればいいじゃん。
ganon. You're the best of the best.
Kasi lang nilalabas ni Ate Tara yung ano niya, yung kanyang power vision.
Kaya din ako.
Ay, di ayaw ka lang.
Walang pa. November tayo magtumari. Nice! November tayo magtumari. Hindi nyo lang kasi helicopter sa mahanda. Huwag helicopter tayo kasya. Kailangan nyo medyo malaking plano. Yeah, Christmas! Sama dyan siya. Sisipan talaga? Sisipan talaga? We have to give you. America the time.
Ay, arigato gozaimasu.
Number first namin si Kim. Are you? Sali ka din? Oh my God. Pasensya na kasali pala siya. Ang nasa natin is yung ating... Oo nga, naglang kasi ganda sa ano yung course ko. Eh, saan din mo binasibin yung Sacho? Sali ka Sacho. Arigato gozaimasu, Sacho. Itadakimasu. Galing pa. Tighay tayo dyan. And the last meron kaming dragon. Taga ganon?
Size ko ta. Natsida ka lang.
Oo, pang... Maligo tayo.
Wala pa.
Sacho sa aming ball. Marami pong nanalo. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.